Welcome to Pasta Fazool. Today I happen to be at my brother's house. This is my nephew Adriano. He's the expert over here with the barbecuing. He's been doing that for how long?
About 10 years now.
Nice. Okay, so he's going to be showing us how to do, what are we cooking over here?
We got some ribs here, then we're going to move over to some burgers.
Woo,
got some good stuff planned for today.
Nice. Okay, so stick around. Don't go nowhere because we're going to have a lot of fun. Welcome back. Okay, so what do we do first?
Well, first I like to start off making my signature barbecue sauce.
Nice. Let's go for it, baby. I want to see this.
So to make,
you actually going to make the barbecue sauce?
Absolutely.
Woo!
Oh, I don't buy that store stuff. No.
Let's go for it.
This is how you make it. All right,
Nice.
so you're going to want to get some ketchup. Make sure you get the Heinz tomato ketchup because that's the best.
Ooh.
All right, so you're going to get yourself a little bowl here. Let's put some ketchup inside here.
Okay.
All right.
Nice. Now what?
Now we have some soy sauce.
Okay.
Soy sauce, believe it or not, this is what is inside barbecue sauce.
Okay.
Let's get a few splashes in there.
Okay, nice.
All right. And now here comes the secret. Hickory smoked liquid smoke. All right. This is the secret ingredient right here to my special barbecue sauce. Make sure you get hickory. That's the most important part. So we just give a few splashes of that in there.
Okay.
Okay.
Nice.
Now we mix it up.
Okay. And by doing that, you will actually making barbecue sauce.
Absolutely.
Oh man, I gotta taste this. Okay. Let me see.
Happens every
Holy
time.
smoke. That's good barbecue sauce. Nice. Okay. So what do we do next?
All right. Next, we're gonna put this barbecue sauce and smother all over these ribs.
Okay, go for it.
Let's do it.
Then we can use this. Or...
Yeah.
Oh, cool.
Right here.
All right.
Paint it on. It's a
Nice.
art project. I already took off the membrane off the ribs, so you don't have to see that part. But all right, so we're just gonna take this here.
Where's the membrane?
Membrane was on the bottom here.
On this side over here, the membrane. We just take it out and.
Took it off,
Oh,
yeah.
cool. Okay, good.
All right, so now we just start applying this stuff
Right on top of it.
right on top.
Nice.
Be generous.
Nice. Okay. By the way, Adriano, my nephew, he has his own. What do you call this?
YouTube channel.
YouTube channel. Okay, and which is?
Warrior Zoino.
Yeah, you've seen him, right?
We do some fun 3D printing videos.
Nice. Okay, but today we're just cooking though. All right. So should I make some?
Here you go.
No, how was it? A little. Okay, we put ketchup first,
A
right?
little bit of ketchup. There you go.
All right. And that's good.
Yeah.
Nice. A little bit of soy sauce.
Soy sauce. Yeah.
Okay. How do you open it, darn thing? Oh yeah, there you go. Okay. Good.
Yeah.
And
Secret ingredient.
which is
Liquid smoke.
Liquid smoke. Okay. Put a little bit of liquid smoke in here. I think I put a little more than you did.
That's all right.
It's all right.
The more smoke, the better.
Woohoo!
Go for it.
Nice.
Perfect.
This.
You know, you look like you've done this before.
No.
No, you sure? Okay.
How's that?
Looks good.
Looks good.
Looks delicious.
Nice. All right. So be right back. We show you what's next, right?
We're gonna cook it.
We're gonna cook it next.
All right.
Okay. So what's next?
Now we're gonna flip it over. We're gonna put some more barbecue sauce on the other side because you want to evenly season your ribs before you put them in
Yes.
to the grill. So we
Yes.
can go ahead and take some more. Just apply generously. All right.
Okay.
All right.
Now what?
Now we're ready to go to the barbecue.
To the barbecue. I'll open the barbecue for you.
Go ahead. All right. Yeah, you want the temperature to be around 400 degrees, not too hot.
And where will you put it on top?
Put it right on the top rack.
Okay, cool.
Perfect.
And then what?
And now we're gonna get some special smokiness going on. As you can see,
What's that?
We have a little bit of the forest here going on.
Okay.
So these sticks right here, we're gonna use to give an extra smoky flavor to our ribs. So what we do is you need to find yourself a little contraption like this that the ashes won't go on the food.
Or you can just get a little piece, a pot or something.
Right,
and just
exactly.
here and put it. Oh, okay. All right. So you turn that on first. Okay.
You gotta light the wood up.
Okay. That's good.
All right.
Now what?
So now we're
Okay.
gonna shut this off,
Okay.
and we're gonna take these nice smoky sticks, and we're gonna drop them right underneath our ribs here. Close it up.
Okay.
And drop it right underneath our ribs here.
Okay.
and it's gonna start smoking right into that beef.
What was it?
The pork actually, and it's gonna give it a nice flavor.
What do you think, about an hour?
I think so. I think it should be good enough.
About an hour.
All right.
Good. And I see you guys back, and I'll show you what's next. And we're back. And what are we doing next, sir?
Next, we're gonna be making our famous hamburgers.
Woo! And
right.
Okay, let's go.
Let's do it. So you're gonna want to take your beef here. This is 25 by 75. Okay, so that's important. You don't want to have.
And why is that important?
You don't want to have too much fat in your burgers.
What happens if I get a 60-40 ratio?
Oh, I'm glad you asked. Well, if you put that on the grill, you better start running for the hills because that's going to be a bomb. All right, call the bomb squad.
Okay, so we'll stick with the 25.
That's right.
Then.
That's a good idea.
Sounds good.
All
Good
right.
to me.
So once you put your beef inside a dish here,
you want to be running for the hills, right?
add some salt.
Some salt to that. Okay, salt.
A little bit more.
Okay.
Okay.
And
Now you want to add some breadcrumbs.
Breadcrumbs.
Breadcrumbs. That's right.
Breadcrumbs to the chop meat.
Absolutely.
And why is that?
So the breadcrumbs are going to help it stick together when you're cooking it. So you when you put it on the grill, they don't start to break apart.
Oh.
And then we're just going to finish it off with some ketchup. Everything's better with ketchup.
Oh. They sound like my daughter now. The little patties now.
All right. So we're going to take. You want to measure something like around this size is pretty good. Cap of the breadcrumbs jar. This is a good measurement. So you can just go ahead and take some beef. Yeah, go for it.
Oh, baby. Yeah, those are nice. Those are nice. Yeah, I'm about to say. Yeah. Okay. All right. So how many think we're gonna get out of this? No.
Maybe just enough for me.
Just enough for you?
Maybe.
I guess we'll have to make some more. All right. Okay. And looks like we got 8 burgers, right? 2, 4, 6, 8. Nice, very nice. Okay, so now pretty soon as soon as that thing cranks up a little more, because we just raised it up a little bit to 500 degrees, right?
More, yeah.
Maybe go a little. Okay, that's cool.
Say, Mr. Fazool.
Yes.
Do you do that karaoke stuff anymore?
Karaoke stuff, yeah. Nah, once in a while I still do that. But today is burger day, baby.
You sure you don't want to sing a little bit of Dean Martin?
Nah, I don't think so.
You sure?
Yeah, nah.
What are you, chicken?
Chicken. I'm pasta Fazool. I'm not chicken. You set me up.
What can I say?
Well, you're singing too. You know that, right?
All right, fair enough.
I'm gonna put on my glasses. I can't see that. Wow. Take one fresh and tender kiss. How's that?
I like it.
Oh, nice. And one starry night ablaze. Huh?
Sounds good to me.
Thank you. One boy.
That's nice.
One girl.
That's really nice.
Some peace, some joy. Memories of memories. Your turn.
All right, here we go. Don't forget a small moonbeam.
Hey, not bad. Go ahead.
Folding lightly with a dream.
Okay. Pretty good.
Your lips
What?
and mine.
Oh, you're nuts.
2 sips of wine.
I'll take the wine.
Memories are made of this.
Okay. Pretty good.
Together.
Yeah. Then at the wedding bells, one house where lovers dwell, 3 little kids for the flavor. Stir carefully through the days.
Easy.
See how the flavor stays. It's good, right?
That's good, I like it.
They are the dreams you'll savor, oh baby, with the blessing from above. Oh yeah, now we're talking. Serve generously with love.
Aww.
Take it over, bro.
One man, one wife, one love through life. Memories are
Made of this. Memories are made of this. Hey, not bad. Pretty good. Wife. Okay. Okay. Now that we got the ribs and the barbecue over here, we got some other people over here having a party. Hello there. So what do we do next?
All right, so now we're gonna start cooking our burgers.
Okay.
Before we put them on the grill, we're gonna want to put some oil on the grill so the burgers don't stick. to
okay.
the barbecue, so we can go ahead and
Good to me.
cut right to here. Some of our oil.
Put a little bit on that. Okay. So the burgers won't stick on the grill, right?
Right.
Okay, cool.
Turn them on.
One at a time. Nice. Okay, cool. Ooh, yeah. Maybe want to lower that flame. So flame a little bit. Fat won't make a big flame, right?
That's right. Send us running for the hills. Yeah.
Wow, nice. And one more here, and one more here. And so what do you think about 3 or 4 minutes and then on the other side?
Yeah.
Okay,
Sounds
cool.
good.
All right. Good. All right. And I'll see you in a little bit.
Ready for our burgers to be flipped over. Looking pretty good, so let's go ahead and get in there.
Nice. What do you think? Another 2 or 3 minutes?
Same thing on that side, yeah.
Beautiful. Okay. Let's go through. We're almost there. Burgers should be good?
I think so. Let's
Ooh.
take a look.
Let's go take a look. All right. Yeah, they're almost there.
Looking pretty good.
What are you going to do with that?
Alright. I think we can take this guy out. Served as well.
Okay, good.
Alright.
And the burgers are almost done, right?
They're looking pretty good.
Yeah. I like mine a little. More like medium. How about yours?
Yeah, I like them well done.
Okay, well done. Okay, so let's give it like another extra minute, and the ribs look good.
Ribs are looking good.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Not bad. Not bad, nephew. All right, so we're gonna just taste them pretty soon. So stick around because it comes the best part of the show.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
All right, so I think our burgers are just about done, so we can go ahead and take them out. Take a look here.
Oh yeah, that's beautiful.
We're good to go.
Ooh, look at those ribs.
Let's get them out.
Nice. Nice. Oh yeah. We got the hot dogs too,
I
right?
think we got them.
Yeah, we got some hot dogs.
Might as
Yeah,
well.
so-
Take a look.
How about those ribs? What do you think?
I think the ribs are looking just about done. Maybe a few more minutes.
And that should be done too?
I think we're looking, yeah.
All right, so we give a few more minutes to get the hot dogs?
Yeah, let's do it.
All right, good. All right. Okay.
All right.
What do
I
you
think
think?
our ribs are just about ready to come out, so let's take a look. Ooh,
baby.
perfect.
All
All
right.
right, let's get it off the fire.
Nice. Okay, so we bring it over there and we put some hot dogs cooking too over here.
All right,
That's enough?
Yes. I think we're ready to start cutting it up. So we can just go ahead and grab it here. This guy knew he was going to do it. It was a good system he had going.
Nice.
Kind of was.
Now 1 hour, 15 minutes? Ah, they really are good. Fantastic. All right. How about those burgers? What do you think?
All right, I think we're about ready for the burgers.
Ready with the burgers? Okay.
Grab our buns.
Yeah, I'll take one. And, what do you think, brother?
Dig in.
Salud.
Oh. Perfect.
Nice, very. This came out really, really. Oh my god, so good. You know, I had a really good time. How was it?
I had a fantastic time.
You gave me a little bit of surprise with that song over there, but I kind of
You did good. You did good.
Yeah. I can't stop eating them. Hey, hey guys, thanks for being with us. We had a great time over here. I hope I see you guys next time. And this is Andy from Pasta Fazool. Oh yeah, don't forget, subscribe, huh? This is Adriano from
Warrior Show.
So I'll see you guys again next time in Pasta Fazool. Bye bye.
Part.
Oh.
And then we're just gonna finish it off with some ketchup. Everything's better with ketchup.
Oh, you sound like my daughter now. She puts ketchup on everything.
All right. And I guess we just start mixing it.
With the, okay, all right, you can use that, your hands, or you just use my foot if you want. Use the fork. Okay.
You can use my foot if you want.
Okay. All right. Hey YouTubers, thanks for watching my video. If you guys enjoyed my video, just say Pasta Fazool! And of course, subscribe. And I'll see you next time on my next video. Ciao.